een coole plek.
Moet even kijken in de kapel.
Ja. Dat gaan we veel zijn. Met echte trippers.
Oh ja, dat kent ze onder de grond, hè?
Ja.
Wauw.
Is dat nu de begraafplaats met de handjes?
Ja, dit is...
Dus,
Is dit niet kapel in het zand?
ja.
Ja.
Nee, ik heb aan het zand, ik hoor. Maar het ligt door wat je door ziet. Dat is kapel in het zand.
Ja, bedoel van de twee onmogelijke geliefden
Ja.
die over de moor elkaar de hand vasthielden.
Naar de protestantse begraafplaats, hoe het worden.
Maar hier kent ze dus, want er stond dat de crypte ook geopend is. De lab Emes.
Wat in de doekje. Oh, je daar ook.
En wat is Allerzielen is, dan herdenken wij de doden. Ja, hè? Goedemorgen. Hallo. Niet schrikken.
No speak English, no speak Nederlands. Sorry,
What do you speak?
Polish.
Polish?
Ja, Rosja,
Oké,
Oekraïne.
oké.
Ja,
Ukraine?
sorry. Nee, Polish.
Polish?
Ja. Special day in Poland.
Ja.
Ja.
Hello.
Hello, Joanna.
Hello, I am Bas.
Ja,
Bastian.
ja. Joanna.
Okay, we are from the television from Limburg,
No, please. No.
but it's a special day.
Ja, special day.
And we thought we would go on the cemetery to see if there are
Yeah.
people
Ja,
on the cemetery on this special day.
Yeah.
And then we meet you.
Polish and people.
I know that
Special-
Polish people are very Catholic.
Ja,
They go to church.
ja,
Yeah,
ja,
you go also to church.
ja.
And why did you decide to go to this cemetery today?
Today.
Yeah, why? Why are you here?
Tradition.
Tradition.
Ja.
And you were making pictures because
Nice, ja,
Ja.
nice.
do you have any loved ones who are not alive anymore?
Sorry.
Sorry?
1 second.
Oh.
Polish, my father.
Oh, beautiful flowers. But this is in Poland.
Ja,
But you can't go there today.
ja.
Oh. Your father's name was Alexander.
Ja,
Alexander Bak.
ja.
Do you have a picture of your father?
Mother pictures and to me.
Your mother sent you pictures.
Ja.
How long ago did your father die? (2022). Oh.
Teacher.
Yes.
Ja, Alexander teacher.
Yeah. And you live here in Roermond?
My husband, job.
Okay.
Yeah.
He has a job.
Ja,
He's also from Poland.
ja.
Okay. And
1 second.
yeah. You are calling your husband now.
Ja? Oh, perfect. English, perfect Nederland.
Pavel.
Ja, Paweł. Paweł, tu pan... Włącz kamerę. No, Paweł. Bo tu jestem na cmentarzu z telewizji, mnie nagrywają. Powiedz, że to specjalny dzień u nas w Polsce.
Hello. Yes, yes. We are from the television broadcasting from Limburg, and we are on the cemetery now with your wife, and because today is the day we think about the people we lost, the people who are not alive anymore. So
In Poland we also have day from yesterday was first day and today is second day, yeah?
yes, yes,
Everybody celebrate the people who's gone already, yeah?
yes, and yeah, which is great because Polish people go to the church more often than Dutch people.
Yeah. They still celebrate that things, yeah?
Yes.
But it's also changed a little bit, yeah?
Pavel, where do you work? Do you work close to Roermond?
Yeah, we working in Roermond.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
You have a very nice wife, Pavel.
Yeah, I know, that's why she is with me.
We will take good care of her, and thank you for having this conversation with us.
Yeah, okay, thank you, have a nice day.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Oh, thank you very much.
No, thank you. You look great.
Yeah?
Yeah. I saw your shoes when you were making the pic. Yeah. Wow.